Okay, working on the pack. I got a little problem. Those are bad. That's really bad. Anyways, so while I was doing this, I was thinking, how strong is my car audio battery? Because I got a what they call a 600-watt Kinetic car audio battery in the back. Um, anyways, so what I'm thinking is, I want to see if it can crank my car. So I'm going to leave that just kind of loose. I don't think it's going anywhere. It's not going to ground out anywhere. So, but I'm going to see if I can turn it over, if I can crank it up. We got dash lights. That's all good. That little son of a bitch started it up. He was trying really hard. You can tell it was. Can really tell it was, but cleared my check engine light, and that doesn't look good. That was on. That system's always screwed in these cars. The TPMS is horrible. Anyways, so yeah, it started and is running the car. I'm not gonna do it for too long, but that was kind of cool.